Okay, so we're out looking at an old mower that we're going to get, hopefully. And here's the air conditioner in the main residence. It's a Tempstar 12. Tempstar 12. And I'll find out if this is a heat pump or not. Heat pump. And the lines are buried under the ground for some reason. And NHP 242 aka 1 is the model. It is a 3.5 ton. Serial L0209763771. It is a 02 R22. Does this have R22? Yeah, R22. It's a heat pump. Fairly small. It goes up to about right here on me. It's got a recip compressor. And it's got one hell of a small fan. Where's the air? Yeah, the air handler's under the house, I think, because that's where all the ductwork is. So there y'all have it, a 2002 Tempstar 12 SEER heat pump. It's a bit undersized for the house. One thing I don't like is these exposed coil guards. That's what you get for dogs pissing on it. And good airflow, I'll tell you that much. Tempstar 12. I like these old Tempstars. Anyways, over and out.